If you want to make money online, you need a set of standard instructions, a protocol. Over the last 7 days, I've made over $2,000. I did this by creating a protocol and following a specific set of standards, just like I did when I spent 30 plus years working in my IT career. So we go back and we look at the day, yesterday, or last 7 days, the last month. It all boils down to what I'm doing here in Google Gemini with a mega prompt. Starting with one prompt, actually, and telling Google Gemini to please activate what I call the MMO Make Money Online protocol by running the mega prompt in the MMO protocol deployment kit from Prompt Psyops. Of course, Prompt Psyops being my philosophy for making money online using AI or having AI assist you. The MMO protocol deployment kit from Prompt Psyops outlines the steps to activate the MMO protocol by running a mega prompt as an AI assistant. The process involves treating the AI as a strategic assistant to build an online income stream based on a 5-part framework. The protocol. You just simply need to open up a new chat. This could actually be ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. I'm showing you here in Gemini to show you how it works. And then you simply need to copy and paste this mega prompt into the new chat. Now, understand that what I'm talking about here is a Google Doc, that you can reference inside of Google Gemini. So I want to break it down and show you just how simple this is. Once you understand that the protocol, once you have the MMO protocol, it gives you the operating system to plug into AI to actually assist you, and the deployment kit activates the MMO protocol. Now, from being here and watching this channel, or if you haven't, my affiliating profitable online business 9-step roadmap built on my proven top strategy of traffic to an offer and add people to an email list lays out in 9 steps exactly what you need to do if you, for example, want to start a YouTube channel, pick a topic, and then start creating consistent content, create an offer, let people know about it via super simple lead magnet, build an email list, profit, and scale. The MMO protocol is designed to start executing, but understand that this is a specific architecture, a protocol that lays out an audience and angle activation offer automation sequence, which in reality goes back to traffic offer people. It's just broken into 5 different phases to activate the protocol, because this is more how the AI thinks. This is how the AI can help you. All prompt optimized for AI co-creation. So the AI likes this format better than they like this format. We as humans, or I know I like to see a diagram that shows me traffic to an offer, add people to an email list, start with step 1, move to step 2, continue to step 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom, we finish. We follow the steps and we start making money online. Now, this is what I have done using my proven top strategy, but recently with my deep dive into AI today, yesterday, the last 7 days, and this month, I decided to take this protocol and create the MMO protocol and the deployment kit, these 2 Google Docs, and then make it so that anyone could use this to actually create their own product as well if they want to jump on board the AI gold rush, if you will, or they just want to learn how to make money online and have nothing to do with AI other than letting AI assist them. This is the new AI-powered MMO system with full PLR rights. You can rebrand it, sell it, and profit today. Now, understand that PLR rights means that you get a license to make this product your own, but you don't have to use that aspect of it. And like I said, in 2017, I've written and sold thousands of digital products, from tiny tripwires to full-blown systems like my proven top strategy and my affiliating 9-step roadmap. And I got Google certified, or I got certified by Google in prompt engineering recently. And that is what led me to build the MMO protocol. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to the sales page. You could check it out. But really what it boils down to is this one mega prompt. You are now my strategic assistant. I'm building a product or online income stream using a system called the MMO protocol powered by Prompt PsyOps. It's a 5-part framework that fuses AI prompt workflows, the thing that the AI likes to see, again, versus what we like to see, which is a nice little diagram that we can follow, a roadmap to get us to where we want to go. The AI likes to see this 5-part AI prompt workflow, and it breaks it down here: audience, angle, activation, automation. So it's great to connect with you, and this is my AI assistant now chatting with me just like it will with you when you get the MMO protocol and you run this deployment kit. This framework offers a robust approach to building a successful product or online income stream, and I'm ready to guide you through each stage. Let's start by layering the groundwork for your venture. The more clearly we define these initial elements, the stronger your audience and angle will be. To kick things off, let's address these fundamental questions, building blocks, things that you must understand and know. Who do you think you can help? What kind of result or transformation do you know how to deliver? Do you already have assets, content? Do you already have an audience built? This could be anything from an email list, social media following, existing content like blog posts, videos, or even just outlines, stuff that you've taken notes on, right? Once we have a clearer picture of these, we can move into truly identifying the emotional pain and buying intent of potential audiences. This is diving into the actual marketing, and with a focus on understanding how marketing works and sells online or off, really. But the power here, when you're in here with Gemini or any AI, but specifically with Gemini, in this case, it now understands and knows the MMO protocol that you've loaded up from your Google Drive and these Google Docs. And now you have the framework, you know, or you've given AI exactly what it needs to know so we can build a workflow for you. But even if you don't know the answer to these questions, just say so. Again, just say so. I don't know the answer to these questions. Can you help me by answering them with an example and running the MMO protocol so I can see how it works? That's perfectly normal. Many people start with an idea or even just a desire to create something without having all these specifics locked down. That's precisely what the MMO protocol is designed to help you figure out. Let's walk through an example. I'll pick a hypothetical product and we'll apply the framework to it. This will give you a concrete illustration of how each step informs the next, particularly focusing on the crucial audience and angle phases. The freelance launchpad. Let's imagine our hypothetical product is an online course designed to help aspiring freelancers get their first clients and build a sustainable income. Audience. We need to identify emotional pain and buying intent. This is where we dig into who we're helping and what keeps them up at night. So you understand now, this is what you're trying to do. It's going to walk you through and it's going to analyze the pain points and intent for the specific audience. Emotional fear, buying intent. What's next for you? Now that you've seen an example in action, it's your turn to start thinking about your own potential. Cool. Let's do this for my growing strawberries indoor hobby. And again, this is the power. Once you activate the protocol, once you understand that you let the AI know what you need help with, and it just needs to understand a protocol is a set of standards in the computer industry, right? Like programming. That's what you're really doing with AI. You're having a chat with the assistant, but underneath, it's just a computer program, which has now, the MMO protocol you've now programmed your AI assistant, Google Gemini, to help you with anything that you have an idea that you might like to make money with. Cool, let's do this for my growing strawberries indoor hobby. Excellent. Growing strawberries indoors is a fantastic niche, full of potential for a product or online income stream. It hits on a popular hobby, fresh food, and overcoming environmental challenges. Let's apply the MMO protocol to this. I'll ask you the initial questions, and we'll start fleshing out the audience stage. Your turn, growing strawberries indoor. Here are your guiding questions again. Now, with your specific hobby in mind, don't overthink them. Just jot down your initial thoughts. Just jot down your initial thoughts. The AI is assisting you, just guiding you towards the direction you need to go, gently easing you into the first iteration of coming up with an idea to actually help people with a problem that they have, no matter what it may be. And trust me, you know something, or you have the potential to learn something, to go out and help people, to do exactly what it is I'm doing here on YouTube, and creating something that people will actually give you money for because they have a problem. They want to get over all the hurdles to get to the solution, which is what you're providing. Check out the MMO protocol. All you have to do is buy it, activate it, and then you have the exact set of standards required for an operating system that will actually show you how to get started and make money online. There's a link in the description for the MMO protocol. Of course, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.